Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got a few jump packs here that the batteries were no longer holding a charge. So it's very easy to replace a battery. Just take the back covers off. Generally there's just some Phillips head screws that hold the covers on. In this case, on this one, you know, it pretty much splits in half like this. And just disconnect the battery. The battery will look like this here. So I already took the old batteries out of these units and I brought them for recycling. You can get a few bucks for them. And then make note of what you take out. Like this is a 12 volt 18 amp battery. And these both had the same size. So I went on Amazon and I searched for 12 volt 18 amp hour and I found this one. I paid 40 bucks for it. And generally you can measure your old one just in case, but generally if you search for the same amp hour, they're generally going to be the same size. So then basically all you gotta do is just connect the leads up, make sure your positive's going to positive. And if you're not sure on that, just look for the red clip. And that's a good way to save some money, because these things, they can be 100 bucks plus. So this is just a cheap way to make them like new again. All right, so let's get this battery in. All right, we'll go ahead and get this battery connected. All right, battery's all connected. Just lay it down in there. All right, so now we got it connected. We'll put the screws in and test it out. All right, got all the screws tight. Let's go ahead and test this thing out. So we got our power switch here, and it's got light there. And we'll push this to test the voltage. There it is, 13.2 volts. And this one does have a cigarette outlet too, 12 volt outlet. So if you use this to jump your car, make sure you charge it every time, because these little batteries drain pretty fast. And I would suggest throw it on the charger for an hour or two once a month, just to keep the battery charged up. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to revive these things. It's a lot cheaper than buying a new one. Check out my other videos, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.